Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video, and sorry I haven't been posting for a while. It is because I have been very busy with the summer holidays, and you know, because it's summer holidays, and guys, I'm going into year 6. I know, that is crazy, but before we get on to this video, I would like to give a shout out to Electrocuted Gacha Wolf for commenting on my video. I'm sorry if I say your name wrong, but yeah. So yeah, shout out to you. And today I have made my own slime palette. This took me ages to do, so I'm super happy with it. So let's just get straight on to the video. Let's go. Okay, so let's open this up, and here is the wonderful world of slime. So let me tell you all through what sort of slimes I've got. So these 3 are store-bought slimes. This one is a fluffy slime. This one is fishbowl bead slime. This one is all these 3 mixed together. This is a crunchy slime. This is another like icy slime with all of the foam pieces crushed up. Here is another, wait, no, I think this is a fluffy butter slime. Here's a cloud slime. And this is a fluffy sand slime, where you add the sand in. This is a nice clear slime. Yeah. This is a cloud cream slime. Foam slimy foam. Butter slime. I made this out of a kit. And then putty. There's heat sensitive putty and glow in the dark putty, which is great. So we're gonna go all through all of these slimes, so let's just go through all of them. Woo! Okay, so we are gonna start off with this slime, so let's get it out. And okay, so this is the next slime. Here is the next slime. Here is the next slime. Here is the next fishbowl bead slime. Yeah, this is a slime pet peeve right there. Here is the next slime. I don't know why I put happy birthday things on them. It's a bit weird. Here is the crunchy slime. Oops, I forgot to put these back. Here is the next crunchy slime. Here is the fluffy butter slime. Yeah. Here is the cloud slime. Here is the next slime. Here's the next slime. This is one of my favorites because I love watermelon so much. Sorry if the camera's shaking. I can't actually control it. I'm trying my hardest. Here's the next one. It's not that great, but here is the next one. Oh, look, that pink one left a pink mark. Here is the next. Okay, now this here is the last slime. Wow, putty. And let's see what color it is going to make. Ew, there's here. Guys, look at this pretty color. It turned into a grayish purple color. That is super pretty. Okay guys, so that was the end of the video. But don't leave yet. I need to tell you something. When we get to 10 subscribers, then I will show you my slime room. I know the back there isn't done yet, but that will be done soon. So when we get to 10 subscribers, I will show you this half, which I'm not going to show you yet, but I will show you when we get to 10 subscribers. And also, when we get to 20 subscribers, I will make over this side of the room into another slime room and show you guys that one. So go ahead, I will give you 5 seconds to subscribe to my channel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now you have done that, I'm going to give you 3 seconds to turn on the notification bell. 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do that? Great. Now I will give you another 5 seconds to like this video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? That'll be so great. Let's get this video to at least 5 likes. If you want 10 likes, I don't mind. But if you guys did all of that, comment down below. And yes. Also, I do Adopt Me. So if you want a chance to win a pet or an egg, then comment down below your username. Then I will send you a friend request. You accept it, and I will join you on Adopt Me, which would be great. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!